made up of people that look just like you, me, and the people that are to your left and to your right. And so it's a time for a change. And that's one thing Nipsey Hussle definitely talked about in his music. He talks about a couple people every generation made it out because they decoded the matrix. And when they get a chance to speak, it's like a coded language that reminds us of all of our strengths and all of our lost greatness. So what I want to say is people like Trey the Truth, Nipsey Hussle, look around, look at yourself. You guys are Nipsey Hussle. We are Nipsey Hussle. We are Trey the Truth. And it's about community. It's about building each other up. We're not savages. We're not robbers. We're not rapists. That's not us. We were built to be great. And so what we're saying is today, let's TNC, the marathon continues. His spirit is still here. Continue to do great things. And so I'm running for Harris County District Attorney because we need a change. We need somebody that looks like us, someone that looks like you, someone that looks like me, someone that's going to look out for our children and our future. And we need more people like Trey the Truth. You guys can do the same thing. We have the same 24 hours in a day. So with that, continue the marathon.
The sender of all prophets, messengers, and warners. I'm here with you tonight at the invitation of my brother, my friend, Trey the Truth. Give him a hand. I won't be long, but I promise to be strong. I'm here tonight to celebrate Nipsey Hussle's life. Not to mourn his death, but to celebrate his life. I'm here to deliver a message from the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan to you, the greatest generation that we ever produced. Amen. It doesn't matter whether you got grill in your mouth, tattoos on your neck, whether you wear your hair fried, dyed, laid to the side, whether you weave it to achieve it, sew it to grow it. You still the greatest generation that we ever produced. You are fearless in the face of danger. You don't mind dying. You don't mind killing. Going to jail is not a badge of dishonor. You don't even want to be involved in school because you don't see yourself in it. Nipsey Hussle represents why the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan, myself, and all the activists that are here with me, Brother Kofi Kahaka of the National Black United Front, Brother OG1, you know Reggie Gordon, OG1. We're here to say to you that none of you are irredeemable. It doesn't matter what you did. It doesn't matter what you did in the past. What it is about Nipsey has called you here. No matter what you and I had planned to do tonight, Nipsey Hussle called us here tonight. His spirit called us here tonight. And he wanted to tell you, even though he belonged to a street organization, I don't even use the word gang. He belonged to a street organization. He got into music. He didn't parlay, he didn't floss. He didn't show off with his money. What did he do? He went back to the hood and he invested in it. Remember? So I stand with Trey because Trey serves the community. Whenever we're in need, you're going to find Trey there. Him and the Relief Gang. That's the only kind of gang I would like, is the Relief Gang. I love my brother Willie D. Where you at, Willie D? Now, I just want to close with this. Look, every time a candle gives off light, it's being consumed. It's going down. But as long as Nipsey Hussle's light touches your wick, his light, you may have thought it went out. But it's in you. It's in me. It's in us. And so he lives forever. So the Holy Quran slain in the way of God or Allah as being dead. Nay, they are alive, but you perceive not. We can't see through our tears. We can't see through our sorrow. But once you dry away your tears, once you dry away your eyes, you'll be able to see Nipsey in all of us. Because now it's time that we go and we buy up the block. Don't leave the hood, buy the hood. Is that right? It's time that we support each other's business. Don't hate, congratulate, and participate. Y'all all right? Don't criticize. The worst sin among us is envy. Why would you hate on somebody else? Everybody here is an individual miracle created by God. When your mama and daddy laid down and made love, whether it was in the backseat of a Chevy, Motel 6, or on their honeymoon, your father released in your mother's womb 1 billion sperm. And you outswam 999,999,999 other sperm to get here. Ain't nobody here accident. Everybody was meant to be here. But everybody has their own skill and talent. God has given you your own DNA, your own voice print, your own fingerprints. You are all unique. So if God chose and manifests my skill in me, or in Trey, or in Willie D, or in Nipsey, or in any of us, don't hate what God has manifested in them. Discover your gift and bring that out and let your light shine. So I leave you and I say this. Trey is going out to represent us in LA. On the 23rd of June, Nipsey wanted to be a part of a peace ride. We had a peace ride on March the 2nd. Trey and others participated in that peace ride. We're going to have a peace ride on Mother's Day weekend to honor all the mothers who have lost their children to all kinds of violence. We're going to honor the mothers because a nation can rise no higher than this woman. We must honor and respect and protect the woman, for she is your first teacher, your first nurse, your first guide. And if you got to beat a woman, you don't need a woman. I'm just saying, brother. We must be the protectors, the providers, and the producers. So, Mother's Day weekend, keep your ears open. We're going to have a peace ride. On June the 23rd, as many of us that can roll out to LA, they're going to have a big peace ride in Nipsey's honor, because he wanted to be there to honor all of the mothers who had lost their children to gang violence. So, let's squash the beefs. And when you hear people doing diss tapes about this side of town and that side of town, don't spread it. Tell them, hey, cut that crap out. We don't need no more bloodshed. We don't need no more killing. It's time to unite and get up and do something for ourselves. So, I leave you by saying this. Brothers, if you're having problems with young ladies, you need to come for advice from yours truly. You can ring my phone any hour of the night. I know I can get your love life right. When it comes to women, I'm a PhD, so come get lessons in love from me. What I'm about to say may be a shock. I went to the Love School of Hard Knocks. I married a real African queen. She was a vision of beauty right out of a dream. 5 years later, had 15 kids. My queen left me, and she flipped her lid. She said this marriage thing is a joke, so she left my butt in a cloud of smoke. Now for 5 long years, I had to eat bologna and work 3 jobs to pay alimony, but don't shed one tear for me. There's a happy ending to this story. My queen, my kids, they came back home, and they said they'd never gone wrong. So when I say Nipsey, you say hustle. Nipsey! Hustle! Nipsey, hustle! When I say Nipsey, you say hustle. Nipsey! Nipsey! May Allah bless each and every one of you when you leave here. Go in peace. And y'all look out for Trey. You look out for Willie D. You look out for Bun B. Because these rappers, these celebrities are our gold, our diamond, and our treasure. Everywhere I travel from Minister Farrakhan in the Middle East, Africa, the Caribbean, Central South America, you know whose music they listening to? Your music. You are the heartbeat of the whole world. The greatest generation we ever produced. May Allah bless you. May God be pleased
So check this out. Before we do this, on the count of 3, we need to get a moment of silence for the homie. Before we get ready to count this shit down. 1, 2, 3. Get ready for this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
People in the front, make some space, make some straight to the back of the stage. Everybody clear out to the front real quick, clear out. Clear out the front. If you're not a speaker, you're about to have the next speaker come up, step to the side and step down.